This is the process of photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So the big yellow ball in the sky is the sun, and the arrow coming down is the sunlight energy. It goes down into the chloroplast, and the chloroplast absorbs the energy, and it sends its resources over to the mitochondrion. The mitochondrion breaks it down and sends its resources back to the chloroplast. But then also, while it's breaking it down, it releases ATP energy. So in the chloroplast and the mitochondrion, a chemical reaction is happening. In the chloroplast, photosynthesis is happening. In the mitochondrion, cellular respiration is happening. In the chloroplast, there's things called chlorophylls. These are green pigments that give the chloroplast its green color. During photosynthesis, food is being made, and food can also be called sugar, and sugar can also be called glucose. So when photosynthesis happens, it releases 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. And when cellular respiration happens, it releases 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water. So these two are the products of photosynthesis, and these two are the products of cellular respiration. So these molecules are needed for the process of cellular respiration. So if the chloroplast doesn't make these, then the mitochondrion can't do its job. And the same thing is happening down here for the chloroplast. So these are the reactants for cellular respiration. And these are the reactants for photosynthesis. So in the chloroplast, carbon dioxide and water is being changed into glucose and oxygen. And in the mitochondrion, glucose and oxygen are being changed into carbon dioxide and water. So in the chloroplast, the energy of the sunlight is being used to create the potential chemical energy of glucose molecules. And in the mitochondrion, the chemical energy of glucose is being converted into ATP energy. In the chloroplast, the existing molecules are changing into different molecules. So these ones are changing into these ones. And the same thing is happening in the mitochondrion. So the ATP energy is the release of energy that originated from the sun. So the sunlight energy is energy that plants need, but it's also energy that animals need.